the smoking begin.
Black cloud coming from the smokestack. Big black cloud coming from the smokestack. Smokestack. Black cloud coming from the smokestack. Put the gas on, let's make 'em all get back. Black cloud coming from the smokestack. Big black cloud coming from the smokestack. Smokestack. Black cloud coming from the smokestack. Put the gas on, let's make 'em all get back.
Smokestack coming up out the back, the windows down trying to blow the gas. Subs cranked up, hit the pedal smash, doing 99 south on the overpass. Back to the woods, moonshine in the Mason. Truck full of goods, so you know that we blazing. Coming in the hood, think it's time for some racing. Got a high head, but I am not Cajun. Dazed up, but I ain't confused. Limit on boost, so I hit the juice. That's 100 proof. Doing 90 more, now I'm pretty sure I'm in Timbuktu. My name is Cap, I'll be in the back with a flask and a girl on my neck attached. Endorsement deals, I got bucks to kill, real bucks to kill, that's that.
Big black cloud coming from the smokestack. Big black cloud coming from the smokestack. Smokestack. Black cloud coming from the smokestack. Put the gas on, let's make 'em all get back. Black cloud coming from the smokestack. Black cloud coming from the smokestack. Smokestack. Black cloud coming from the smokestack. Put the gas on, let's make 'em all get back.
Cups in the sky every time I ride by. All the girls wanna ride, gonna hit.
It's almost getting to the point where you can't see you.
Tearing up them dirty roads. Yeah, I keep a dirty girl, but Lord, ain't she pretty though? Duck blind seats, gun racks and all that. 54-inch needles and the rims is all black. And the dog is in the back with them black.
My students are gonna watch this, be like, "That fucking made me roll the windows
What do
down."
you call that?
Black cloud coming from the smokestack. Big black cloud coming from the smokestack. Smokestack. Black cloud coming from the
He
smokestack.
can't even see you.
Let's make 'em all get back. Black cloud coming from the smokestack. Big black cloud coming from the smokestack. Smokestack. Black cloud coming from the smokestack. Put the gas on, let's make 'em all get back.
Fire it up, hot box, Snoop Dogg, this parking lot. So hard, supercharge them old folks. Wear it out, raise hell, them good old boys say hell yeah. Cool with my rednecks, but I don't drive no fuel flex. Rolling coal and blowing smoke, them Duramax and power stroke. Boy, they wanna ride that freight train, but you can't, this my show. And you was gonna get your girl and leave, but you can't now. She came round, got lost up in the black cloud.
Black cloud coming from the smokestack. Big black cloud coming from the smokestack. Smokestack. Black cloud coming from the smokestack. Put the gas on, let's make 'em all get back. Black cloud coming from the smokestack. Big black cloud coming from the smokestack. Smokestack. Black cloud coming from the smokestack. Put the gas on, let's make 'em all get back.
Big chrome tips coming out the side. I let it fly when I'm at the red light. Red light. Big shorts, bad bras,
I got a truck jacked up, I call it blackberry smoke. In the wood on the console is white cherry oak. 20 bras in the bed, I can carry them though. Bumping David Allen Cole up on my stereo. I make a
Big black cloud coming from the smokestack. Big black cloud coming from the smokestack. Smokestack. Black cloud coming from the smokestack. Put the gas on, let's make 'em all get back. Big black cloud coming from the smokestack. Big black cloud coming from the smokestack. Smokestack. Black cloud coming from the smokestack. Put the gas on, let's make 'em all get back.
Oh, I'm a little lightheaded. Are you? Oh, man. It's still going out. There it goes. Like page. God's will.